Welcome to the Showroom Spotlight, where we dive into the legends of automotive history. Today, we're revving up the engine on a true American muscle icon, the Dodge Charger Super Bee 426 HEMI. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, performance, and pure adrenaline. The birth of a legend. In the late 1960s, the muscle car war was in full swing, and Dodge needed a contender that could dominate the streets and the strip. Enter the Charger Super Bee, introduced in 1968 as a no-nonsense performance machine. The 426 HEMI engine, a monstrous V8, became the heart of this beast, delivering an earth-shaking 425 horsepower. It was a car built for speed enthusiasts who craved raw power. Design that demands attention. The Super Bee wasn't just about performance, it had the looks to match. With its bold bumblebee stripe wrapping around the rear, aggressive front grille, and sleek fastback design, the Charger Super Bee was impossible to ignore. It was a car that screamed dominance, whether parked or roaring down the highway. Performance that redefined muscle. Under the hood, the 426 HEMI was a marvel of engineering. Known as the elephant engine for its sheer size and power, it propelled the Super Bee from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, a blistering pace for its time. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this car was a driver's dream, offering unparalleled control and thrill. Legacy of the Super Bee. The Dodge Charger Super Bee 426 HEMI left an indelible mark on automotive history. It wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of an era when horsepower ruled the road. Today, it's a highly sought-after classic, cherished by collectors and muscle car enthusiasts alike. Closing thoughts. Thanks for joining us on the Showroom Spotlight as we celebrated the Dodge Charger Super Bee 426 HEMI. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more legendary car stories. Until next time, keep the engines running and the passion alive.